Hi, I'm Gail Gruenberg with Let's Get Organized. As a professional organizer, I hear all the time that I know what to do, I just don't have the time to do it. So I created an acronym that is DEAR, D-E-A-R. D stands for Delegate. What do you have to do yourself? What can someone else do for you? Who can you call on? What is in your budget? E is for Eliminate. What can be done less well? What does not have to be done at all? A is for automate. You can automate as much as you can so that things happen on their own and you don't have to spend your time doing them. For instance, you can automate your grocery delivery. You can have just an automatic refill of your supplies. I'm sure that Amazon and Whole Foods and all of those suppliers probably have a system that you can automate the things that you use on a daily basis. What about your banking and your bill paying? Chances are you may already be doing that. I would suggest automating whatever you possibly can so that things happen without your involvement. R is for reevaluate. Have your needs changed? Has your energy level changed? Has your support system changed? Reevaluating our systems periodically is very important because we grow, children grow, life changes, and our systems need to evolve with them. So think about what you can delegate, eliminate, automate, or reevaluate. I'm Gail Gruenberg with Let's Get Organized. If you need some help looking at your organizing projects, decluttering, time management, digital files, give us a call, 201-613-2733, or visit our website at lgorganized.com.